Good morning and welcome to the farm. We're so glad you could join us here among the mulberries.
It's incredible to think that this luxurious silk fabric starts right here as these very leaves. Let's explore how this transformation happens.
To select the best quality, look for vibrant green color and prominent veins. Avoid the yellowed or damaged leaves to ensure the highest yield.
This is where the process begins. Our climate-controlled, sterile environment ensures the highest quality silk production from these specialized breeds. The climate within the rearing house is paramount. We maintain a precise balance of temperature and humidity as this Use the dispenser for hand sanitizer and rub thoroughly. Next, apply the disposable shoe covers before stepping.
The key to our vertical farming success lies in the precise management of the feeding cycle. We program the pumps to deliver the nutrient solution.
Más rápido, por favor. Necesitamos más bandejas aquí. Ya voy.
Here in the facility, we maintain a very precise climate. Silkworms thrive when the temperature is exactly 25 degrees Celsius. To ensure the health of the silkworms, we maintain rigorous cleaning protocols. The sanitation in this corridor is performed.
The silkworm life cycle is fascinating. Over here we have the mature larvae, and if you look closely at this rack, you can see the fully formed cocoons they've spun.
Key to avoiding overcrowding, we've learned, is communication and staggered scheduling. It allows everyone to enjoy the space comfortably.
clearance on the left.
Almost through the threshold. The temperature is holding steady.
These are the traditional ney frames. The silkworms use these intricate zigzag compartments to spin their cocoons securely.
We've seen them hatch, and now we arrive at the critical next phase, the formation of the cocoon. This is where the real magic happens. We are now looking at the critical cocooning area. The silkworms transition by finding a spot and starting to spin that beautiful, strong silk you see here.
Okay, slide it right here.
Got it. Watch the alignment on the left.
The key to maintaining the optimal environment is monitoring this nexus point. We can raise the temperature 5 degrees and drop the humidity by 10% right here.
The pulsation rate is stabilizing.
Look at the lower quadrant. The glow intensified just now.
The process begins when the larva, or caterpillar, forms this incredible structure, the chrysalis. Make sure the coordinates are logged correctly.
Confirmed. The density reading is within tolerance. For a perfectly uniform, bright white color. This one here shows excellent density and shape, indicating high quality silk.
Harvested, the cocoons are carefully packed into these specialized crates. We have to ensure their integrity during transit to the reeling factory. Follow me. This is where the magic happens. The reeling process is intricate and loud, as you can hear. As you can see, the cocoons are submerged in the warm water, which allows us to carefully unwind the single continuous thread you see here. Watch your step with that pallet. Bringing the next one over now. Right here is where the
process truly begins. We're looking at the initial sorting phase, ensuring everything is clean before it moves down the line.
How many more baskets do we have left?
About 10, maybe 12. Keep them coming. By dropping the cocoons into these 90-degree vats, the steam penetrates the fibers, softening the protective sericin layer for reeling. To find the filament ends, you gently disturb the surface of the warm water like this. See how the fibers catch the light. The secret to high-quality silk is tension control. We use these precise mechanisms to ensure
As you can see, the machinery here allows us to monitor the tension and quality of the magnetic tape in real time.
Now that we have our fibers ready, the real magic begins. We'll look at the intricate process of weaving and then, of course, the dyeing. Now that we've seen the preparation, we move into the heart of the craft, the dyeing and the weaving phases. This loom is central to it all.
Interlacing of the longitudinal warp and the transverse weft that gives silk its unique strength and luster. These machines utilize advanced programming to manage the dyeing cycles. This level of control allows us to achieve
Finish on this is excellent work.
Thank you. We took our time with the oil.
From the rapid clatter of the looms creating the weave, we move to the vibrant dyeing vats, ensuring perfect.
This emerald silk is absolutely divine, isn't it?
Truly exquisite. The craftsmanship is unparalleled.
Welcome everyone to the showroom. We are so excited to show you our new collection of exquisite silks.
These silk rolls are truly exquisite. The craftsmanship is evident in every thread, offering a luster you won't find anywhere else.